report. Okay, I just checked. Get back up to that first step.
When man set foot on the moon, for the first time he could see his native planet at a single glance. This sort of global view is precisely what the world's leading newspaper publishers seek to provide day after day. Short-lived publications like these are turned out on extremely high-speed equipment, namely newspaper printing presses. WIFAG presses. Fitted with ABB electronic control systems, print vast quantities of Europe's and the world's leading newspapers. The invention of the transistor created enormous spin-off, which in turn generated major technological advances. In the printing industry, this has led to the gradual replacement of electromechanical by electronic control systems. Together, WIFAG and ABB have contributed to many decisive developments. In 1973, they introduced the first rotary press controls with programmable controllers. In 1985, the first monitor-equipped control console, a minor revolution at the time, standard equipment today. ABB and WIFAG have now come up with a solution to a hitherto intractable problem. And their revolutionary approach is already operational. The WIFAG OF370 GTD gearless transmission drive press, the world's first shaftless newspaper printing press. It's so flexible and easy to operate that someday all rotary printing presses will be built this way. The OF370 GTD's operating principle is simple enough. Each subassembly is equipped with its own drive. A distributed intelligence electronic system controls, regulates, and synchronizes the performance of the various drives and runs the printing process. Every printing couple features an ABB digital drive and an asynchronous motor. The OF370 GTD's advantages defy comparison with the performance of conventional rotary presses. By and large, these advantages stem from the fact that the individual drive principle allows any cylinder pair to be stopped, then restarted and synchronized while the rest of the equipment continues running. This kind of flexibility is a must for changing printing production while the press is running. A page change, for instance, is done as follows. The plates for printing the next edition are mounted on a stationary unit. When the product switch comes, the unit is restarted and synchronized while the group used to print the current edition is halted and prepared for yet another change. The entire sequence takes place without stopping the press. In other words, press downtimes belong to the past. The possibility of stopping and restarting cylinder pairs at will yields the further advantage of allowing each web to be introduced independently of the others. As soon as a web reaches the roller top of former, the corresponding printing couples are deactivated. When all webs reach the collecting position, all printing couples are restarted. The webs enter the folder jointly, thereby greatly reducing white waste. Doing away with main drive shafts and other mechanical components yields considerable advantages. Lower 4 high towers, thereby only 2 service levels are required. Infrastructure savings due to lower space requirements. Improved access. easier servicing and maintenance. Minimum distance between printing nits, thereby optimal register behavior is achieved. Elimination of power loss due to friction, hence far less heat and noise generation. Power consumption only by the printing units in operation. The new press requires considerably less power. This new principle also provides an advanced web stretch control. Fan-out is kept to a minimum. Register accuracy is optimal. Therefore, exceptional printing quality and regularity are obtained. Taken together, these advantages make the WIFAG OF370 GTD press with individual drives far more profitable to operate than traditional rotary presses. This breakthrough could never have been achieved without the know-how and experience built up by ABB over many years in the fields of rotary press automation and drive technology. Central to the concept of shaftless rotary presses is the alliance of two ABB systems, whose excellent performances have been proved many times over. The SDS-100 digital drive system. With this system, extremely fine positioning accuracy can be obtained over a speed range of 1 to 4 million. The system passed its first commercial tests on shaftless machines for printing textiles and corrugated cardboard. The Advent Controller 110 system. This system, which is in daily use in numerous industries worldwide, is a powerful partner to the SDS-100 drive controller. The proven structure of the automation system Master Printing System 700 is retained. Even the newly developed MPS Control Console 700 integrates perfectly into the system. The well-established MPS Production Computer 700 retains its role as the leading tool for product planning, production preparation, and pre-setting. Its central role in plant-wide production management provides the basis for plant-wide networking, several examples of which are already in operation. This breakthrough underlines yet again the leading role of ABB, a dependable partner in state-of-the-art technology for rotary newspaper printing presses. ABB, your partner today and in the future.